Junior Reporter number 6. Today, we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa problem ngayon. Recipe adjustment. Bigyan the enzyme. Ito nga kita ng enzyme. You find the online recipe for ensaymada, a popular Filipino soft bread from the famous American baker. The recipe is roughly baked in 375 degrees Fahrenheit to get the perfect golden brown top. Your oven in Quezon City is marked in degrees Celsius. What temperature should you set on your oven? Problem number 11. Yung formula ko na gagamitin ko ay equals 5/9 times 400 pieces. Yung Fahrenheit po, tas minus 32 po. Then ngayon na po, yung solution, yung 5/9 times yung kaganina mong Fahrenheit, kapalitan mo natin ng 375 minus 32. Ngayon po, bring down lang po yung 5/9. Tapos, yung 375 minus 32 is 343. Tapos, 5/9 times 343 is 190.55. Ngayon po, gagawin natin po siyang 190.56 degrees Celsius. Ngayon po, tungo naman po tayo sa problem number 4. Weather report at trip ang Tagaytay. You and your family are planning a weekend trip to Tagaytay to escape the Metro Manila heat. Ariang relative from California checks as the least weather up and tells you the weather forecast. Low for the evening will be 64 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to tell your kids how to hold it. Being Celsius, the standard they are understand. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius? Problem number 2. Yung formula lang po, yung kadalan din sa problem na 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. Yung solution mo, 5/9 times yung 64 mo na Fahrenheit. So, 64 minus 32. Bring down lang po yung 5/9. Tapos, yung 64 minus 32 po is 32. Bale, 5/9 times 32 is 70.777. Bali, gagawin po natin siya 17.78 degrees Celsius. That's it.